Hey, what's going on? It's Nick with Us versus Herd. Happy Friday. We're going to go in and get it. Get it. Yesterday, took the 1K challenge account back to the green. First day, trading Monday, count went red. Yesterday, we brought it back up to the green. So this is day three. Day three of the 1K options small account challenge. So we're just, we're taking it slow. I'm taking profits when I see them, but I will say that the overall market has been, for day trading, has been tough. There's definitely been way easier weeks. Like the week before, this week, way easier. This week, of course, you start the challenge, day trading gets a little bit harder. Got to be very, very, very particular in your setups and be disciplined in taking profits. If you're here right now, say what up in the chat. Hit the like button. Definitely appreciate it. Starting a little bit earlier this morning, trying to get back onto a regular schedule. Been kind of been all over the place this week. Honestly, it's been a pretty hectic week outside of trading. So, gonna go over some charts here. See if I can see if there's any setups right here. What's going on? Disney had explosive earnings. I don't know what this is going to do for the stock. Right now, it tapped 189. Definitely some resistance right here. Hold on, guys. I just can't shake this cough for some reason. Definitely there is some resistance here. 189, 190 is a pretty big level, and then 200. We had a lot of rejection here back in July. 186 came back down. So the question for me for Disney, I don't know if I'm going to day trade it because I don't really want to fade good earnings. Like, to play this, you're up at resistance. You'd have to go like 190, 195 to be playable, and or you could like fade this, but I don't really like fading good earnings in general, because fading good earnings, I mean, it could reverse. I mean, if this drops down to 184, 182, could bounce right back up. So, however, I think Disney is going to be a little bit tricky today if you're going to try to, day trade that. SoFi had earnings as well. This thing is dipping way down. They actually had decent earnings, but is right now at that 15 level, came back all the way back down to here, back down to support. So a lot of companies had good earnings, and then Wish got demolished too, so that could bounce. Wish is down at 680. I mean, gonna hit a 52-week low. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. But I think Wish could bounce back up to 9 or 10. That would be a big move. I don't know if it's going to happen today, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. SPY, let's see what I'm looking at on SPY today. It's pushing 445. It's above 445 pre-market here. I mean, the sky's the limit. All-time highs, right? All-time highs, SPY. Q, 367.80. And I would really like it to push above 370. I would really, because what I don't like about the Qs here is we're just pinging back and forth. I would really love a push above 370, like a real push, not this like fake push stuff that sells off the next day. And that's what's been kind of hard this week is there's really been no continuation. We're just like, sitting here. But we're gonna get it going right now. Right now, the account itself, I mean, we are at a $9 profit for this week, so not great. But I've only had 3 trades, and one of the 3 trades was red. So we're at a $9 profit. Account balance is at 1,001. Why? Because of fees. So made $9, only have 1,001 because of the fees. So not going to try to force anything, but definitely need some really good setups today.
Facebook was a good setup yesterday. Didn't get the fill. That ran hard. So what I'm looking at on Facebook here, if we could break here, 366, 365 area, I mean, it could definitely be a nice push to the 370 area. But again, like all week. So my question is, are these pushes going to get sold off? I mean, I don't think so. I mean, today could definitely be flat. We open up and nothing happens. And if that's the case, like, then not going to trade. One thing that I will say about Fridays is that you have to be very, very careful. Options expire. A lot of things happen. And Friday, Friday's a tough trading day for a lot of people. A lot of people also trade 0-day expiration. I'm not going to trade 0-day. I'm going to go into next week expiration. So, if you don't trade well on Fridays, some people just don't trade them at all. Just don't trade them all. Some people don't trade Mondays. Some people don't trade Fridays. Like Monday and Friday, could be a little bit tricky. But Fridays particularly are tricky for a lot of ways. And I'm not a suspicious person, but happy Friday the 13th. Happy Friday the 13th. But if you can't handle the heat on Friday, like, don't force it. Don't try to just go in there and be a hero. You're gonna get smoked. Just be calm. Be calm. ABBV. This looks pretty good. A little continuation. Maybe push to 117, 118. It really depends what happens on these at these opens here. Bitcoin's running a bit. Coinbase could run. Came back down to the 10-day yesterday, closed near the lows. 10-day moving average could catch a bounce. Problem with Coinbase is its contracts are super expensive. So I don't think I'm going to trade it on the small account. I need a little bit more money. I need a little bit more money to trade stocks like Coinbase or Tesla on the small account. But right now, Coinbase could catch a run here. Let's see. Bitcoin's moving 46, 47K right now. So, I mean, if this makes a push to 50, 48, 49, Coinbase could definitely run. I do like this setup. If I was trading a regular account, this would definitely be something I would get into. But right now it's not something I'm getting into. Let's take a look at Neo. Neo's come back down a little bit, 42. Man, Neo's just kind of ugly. It could end badly here. It just couldn't get above 46, 47 here. Fell underneath the 200-day, 50-day, 10-day. Like, that is not... Yesterday was its opportunity to shine. Yesterday. And what did it do? Not saying it can't bounce, but, like, ideally you needed above 47 here. This is not a good setup for risk to reward here. I mean, I don't like it. There was a lot of things that came out of China. I think all these China stocks are gapping down. 180, 189. Yeah, 158. Yeah, I mean, just ugly. Tesla could definitely make a quick pump to 750. It could happen. What makes you decide versus a day trade versus swing? Carmine, it really, it really depends on how long I believe something's going to take to work out. Like if a stock drop, let's say a stock drops a lot, and it's sitting there at consolidation, just sitting at consolidation, just chilling. I think it's gonna let's say I think it's gonna pop back up, but I have no idea what day or time. Okay, then it would be a swing trade. A day trade, I'm just looking for, like I'm looking for it to break support or resistance to be long or short. And when that happens, I get in and I get out. I don't try to hold it because, like Boeing yesterday, I was looking for a dip here. It did happen, but then what happened? It bounced right back up. So this would not be a good swing trade. It was a good day trade. Facebook, I was trying to get into yesterday off the lows here, but I don't know if I don't like it up here to hold overnight. Like I don't like it to like when things are at resistance. Sure, it could gap up above resistance, but the market that we're in now is kind of dicey. It's kind of dicey. So do I want to hold Facebook when it's near resistance overnight? Probably not. Probably not. Take your profits. Try again tomorrow. Microsoft was strong yesterday, but again, we're in this box here. We're in this box, and the question is, how many days are we going to be within this box? Like, tighter formation is good for the long term, but for day trading, it's frustrating because you're pinging back and forth. And that's why, like, if you're day trading right now, you notice that you got to take profits fast because this market will take them away. Like, and that's why, like, yesterday, that's why I jumped out of Nvidia so quickly. I mean, Nvidia. So yesterday when I was trading Nvidia, let's see what they're doing this morning. So yesterday I was playing the 200 calls. However, when I bought right in here. It made a push to 199. It's coming back, so I sold because I was afraid that this could, like when I bought it right here, I was playing this. I sold it when it popped up to 198.75. And then it popped back down. I felt good. I'm like, okay, I got out because those options. But then it popped back up to 200, but then sold out. But see what I mean? Like this whole choppiness thing is tough. I'm gonna have to take some more. I'm gonna have to take some more Chinese herbs to shake this thing this weekend. Man, it's frustrating because like what happens is like the longer I talk, like you get kind of feels like pressure in here. I don't know. I don't feel sick at all. It's just this freaking cough, man. If you're here right now, say what up in the chat. If you guys can do me a favor, hit the like button. Let me know. What are you guys looking at this morning? NVIDIA, I don't know. NVIDIA's kind of dicey this morning. I think I might stick to the Qs. See what AMD. AMD could be interesting. Kind of flat the last couple days. You have to take your profits quick. I mean, AMD could be something. Let me pull this up on my screen here. Pull up AMD over here, kind of see what it does. All right, market just opened up. S&P's up 5, Dow's up 80, NASDAQ up 7. So kind of flat right now. All right, good trades only. Remember the rules: 2 winning trades in a row, quitting time. 2 losing trades in a row, quitting time. No more than 4 trades. No swing trades, day trades only. Those are the rules. Let's see what. Gonna give it a few minutes here to kind of decide on some directions here. I don't see anything, you know. Obviously, like the flat opens. We just been. You could get a push, you could get a flush, but it's not a setup I like yet. Just got to be patient. And Russell's red like every day. The Russell literally is red every day. It's been having some crazy bounces though. It's getting shredded right now. And Russell has been, I mean, the Thinkorswim, as soon as the market opens, man, this just seems kind of laggy. Facebook's coming down. Facebook's red. Tesla is hanging on there. You know, we're kind of all over the place. You know, when you see stuff like this and there's not like a really clear direction, you just need to be patient. Wait for a good setup. You know, don't force anything. Let's see what the banks are doing. JP Morgan looks ready to do some work. Yeah, I think like JP Morgan set up better than Goldman. NASDAQ just hit red for a minute there. Our boy Apple taking a hit. All right, let's see here. AMD's popping back up. You know what I'd like to hit today? What I would like to hit, I'd like to hit a Boeing short. That's what I would like. That's what I would like to hit. mRNA. Yeah, I would like to hit a Boeing short. I don't know if that's going to happen today. Maybe. If this could push 240, I would maybe try. Yo, Thinkorswim, you are lagging hard. Yeah, mRNAs. I'm not going to trade it on this account. I didn't really want to short today. Whoa, I almost just knocked my coffee all over. Hold on, let me adjust here. Tesla just went red. Yo, why is it so slow? Yo, Thinkorswim is lagging hard right now. Yesterday, it was the same yesterday too. AMD had a nice bounce. Yeah, AMD is looking. But right now, I'm going to take it slow. I need a little bit more data. Again, I mean, the same situation. We're in the same situation we were with the NASDAQ. If we look at the NASDAQ here, we're in, and this has been the setups for all week long, which is frustrating a lot of people. You know, like you're just stuck in this box. You're just moving back and forth. So again, like I'm looking for breaks. Same with yesterday when we got the break here. When I got the break here, we took advantage of it, right? Today we're stuck in a box again, so we need to get out of this box, break above 5,100, break below 15,100, or break below 15,050 on the NASDAQ. But yo, this choppiness is driving me nuts. Thinkorswim is just because I mean I don't think it's. I think it's when market opened because I was moving pretty fast through these charts when the market was closed. Let's just be patient today. I think Friday they're gonna. Man, Lululemon, you guys trade Lululemon at all? Lululemon just got the axe. I mean, oof. I don't know. Wish could be a play here. Wish could be a play. I don't know. It's scary though. Let's see. I don't think I got the Ivy Crush for next week. Let's see what these options are going for. Yeah, they got hit pretty hard. I mean, do I try the 7? I don't really like day trading stocks under $10 because it's a good if it wasn't under $10 now, I'd probably trade this. But this thing is I would try it here, stop loss maybe 660. But I'm not going to trade it. Not going to trade it. Disney. Yeah, Disney sold off a little bit, making another pop. So nothing really interesting here yet. I don't like this lag. Problem with Airbnb contracts is that the bid ask a little wide for me for this account. Flat, flat, flat. Yeah, Spy's you guys make any trades yet? I haven't made any trades yet. We're only 9 minutes in the market open. It might be one of those mornings where you just kind of wait the first half hour and then you know, it's kind of iffy where we go. Like, where are we gonna go? We're gonna go back to the upside. Could try it here. You guys are trading Robinhood. I haven't made a single trade on Robinhood yet, like on any account that I own. That actually looks good. Yo, these options are going to be rich though, right? I mean, can maybe get the 55s. Maybe try the 55 contracts. I don't know. I don't know if I have the stomach for this one today. I mean, right now I don't have like the account size doesn't have like a lot of leeway for a meme stock. You know what I mean? Like you have to make decisions based on the criteria what's best for you. It could push. But what if it just flushes here and I'm instantly down? You know what I mean? Like what if it flushes here and I'm down 50% of the contracts? Like can the account handle that right now? I'd say no. But I mean it does look Robinhood does look pretty good, honestly. Nice on the 1 minute chart, nice flag here. Looks like I'm developing another flag here. Could make it push higher. Let's see, what's Facebook is stuck. Neo's going lower. What's Penn? Penn was having a setup yesterday. Penn's up a buck. This is a clean break right here. Penn. Penn's interesting here because it's just testing the 50-day moving average right now. Testing the 50-day moving average right here. Looks like we're trying to have some reversals here. On some stocks. Facebook reversed. Oof. See, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. You could get trapped. You could get trapped like this, and this is what I was worried about. Like on a Robinhood play. Look what Nvidia did. Instant pump and drop. Yeah, don't lie to that. I think I'll stay away from Nvidia today. It's been a tricky one this week. Maybe if Nvidia goes to like 196, maybe I'll look to go long. But PLTR is going down. ARK's going down. Coin is stable. Not really moving though. Yeah, I mean, I think like Facebook or Penn has some pretty good setups here, but again, I'd like to see Facebook. I'd like to see Facebook break 366. 366. I'd like to see on Facebook. Make a run up there. See how the other Snapchat's been grinding low. Twitter the same. Facebook is the only one that's Facebook. I mean, Facebook's legit. mRNA fighting for its life at 400. Yeah, so I think Facebook looks like it to be one of the better setups. I'd like to push a little bit higher, kind of see. Let's see here. What's Microsoft doing? Microsoft. I don't normally like to day trade Microsoft because it kind of moves a little slow, but it's been moving. Yesterday it moved pretty well. I mean, today it looks like it wants to push. I mean, I could try here. Let's see here. Yeah, everything's still kind of chill. All the indices flat. definitely frustrating. From a day trade perspective, it's not ideal. From a swing trade perspective too, it's not ideal. Hey Mark, what's going on, man? Yeah, maybe I should buy the Microsoft 29250s. Me and Microsoft don't really have a great day trade history, though. Swing trading Microsoft is a whole different story. Day trading Microsoft, this does look like a quality setup, though. NASDAQ, you're starting to get a push, trying to get a push, like I said, 15,100. Starting to get a push here. Need a break. It pushed above, but got smacked down a little bit. Apple's trying to wake up. All right, so I'm gonna try these Microsofts. All right, so I'm in two of the Microsoft's 29250s for next week. We'll see here if it could hold 290. See if we could bust this right here. 291, 291.50 maybe. Try to push this high over here. Come on, Microsoft. All right, Microsoft made a new high here. Let's go. Up 2% currently on the position right now. I don't want this to go back into the zone. I don't want NASDAQ to get smacked back into the zone. Get out of the zone, NASDAQ. Stay above 15,100. Please. 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 There we go. Come on. All right, these are the candles you like to see. These are the kind of candles you like to see right here. All right, up 6% currently on Microsoft. And the reason why I go by percentages, because percentages scale no matter what account size you are. Whether you're in a small account, large account, medium, whatever account size you have, you can always rely on the percentages. Get disciplined with the percentages, because the dollars don't matter. Yeah, Tesla's ripping, James. All right, let's break 291 Microsoft. Let's go. Man, this is NASDAQ just doesn't want to pop above. Yeah, Tesla's running hot. Man, NASDAQ's really struggling right here. I mean, you hate to see it. All right, so we're all right, up 10%, up 10% on one contract. I'm actually going to close out one contract here at 10%. Just take the small gain. Close one contract right here. Lower my risk. Okay, so I got one contract in. I'm gonna actually set this contract. What did I pay for this? 130. I'm gonna set this at 130 here. See if we can. Worst case, we break even. Try to go slow. Sold off one contract, so I'll have a stop in for 130. Okay. Kind of tight stop, but I don't want to take any chances today. I want to take my profits. I want to have a good day. I don't want to mess around. I do think we're going to go higher here, but we might get smoked. I might get stopped out. What I don't like about this. What I don't like about the situation is NASDAQ is trying to break out and it keeps getting smacked down, which could mean we're going to get, I'm stuck in limbo transferring out of Robinhood to TD. Says earliest will be Monday, latest Wednesday. Don't like sitting on the sidelines, but using this time to watch and learn. Hey, bro, always grind, right? There's always something that you can learn. You can also do in the paper trading in Thinkorswim too. I think I might get stopped out on Microsoft. I might get stopped out on these Microsofts if I just don't want to take any risks today. I can get into another trade, you know what I mean? So I took 10% on one contract, which I mean it's a small gain, but we're 3 cents away from getting stopped out here on this. But hey, you can't be messing around when you have a small account, and even when you have a larger account, you need to stay disciplined. You need to stay disciplined. But the goal here is to stay green, push green. I made 10% on the first contract. I was trying to get another runner. Hopefully I don't get stopped out here and we can get a push up. But if I do get stopped out, I still made 10% on one contract and we can go ahead and try again. And that's the thing. Like, there's always going to be another opportunity. There's always going to be another setup. But I'd like this contract to hit like 291.50 area. Can it push 291.50? I think so. I think it could blow past this if we get market cooperation. But like what I didn't like right in here was this rejection. Like I was telling you, I'm looking for a break of 15,100 or 15,050 to the downside, and it struggled here. So that's why I got defensive. I got defensive because this could definitely drop, and you want to protect your account. They're trying to get it. They're trying to get my money. I'm not going to let them have it today. All right, I'm back up to 10%. I'm back up 10% on this contract, so we'll see. I didn't get stopped out. I was really close to getting stopped out. So we'll see if we can get a push here. If we get Microsoft push 291, we're climbing the stairs here, which is looking good. But again, I'm trading next week expiration, not today's expiration, because I mean, you can't handle that kind of heat. Especially like I would never trade day of expiration on a stock like Microsoft. Like Microsoft, no. The fact that I'm day trading this, I mean, I've run out of other options. But so far, so good. I mean, we can, even if we get stopped out here, we lock in a small win. Carry on to the next trade. And I really want to stay green is my goal. Even though they're small trades, I just want to stay green. Yo, Mike gets stopped out here. If I get stopped out here, I'm gonna go grab another coffee. I mean, we're on edge here again. I mean, we're 1 cent away from getting stopped out. 1 cent away. I think I'm getting stopped out. See, I don't like. Look at that. So look at Nasdaq retracing. Look at Microsoft retracing. So that's why, like, when I'm trading these stocks, I also line it up against the market and kind of get I have to get a feel. All right, I got stopped out. Okay, so I got stopped out of that contract. So only made 10% on one of the contracts, but it's better than going red. You know what I mean? See, that's what I don't like. It tried to break out and it put it back into the box. We were waiting for it to break out of the box. I took a position, made a little bit of money, and now we're back down. So 10% on one contract. I mean, it's not great, but I mean, we're green. We're green, baby. See what I mean? Like what you want to prevent is your account going red, and you want to prevent like a big drop here. Like what you want, like look at Nvidia. You know, you want to be careful because like a scenario like this where it pumped, did a double top, and then they killed it, and then you're down 20, 30, 40%, right? You don't. That's what I don't want. Now, could I get back in Microsoft? Absolutely. I probably won't though. I don't like this. So I'm gonna go grab some more coffee real quick. I'll be right back. So we're only 30 minutes into market open, up 10% on one contract. Got to do a little bit better, but we'll see. See if there's more opportunities. It looks like Microsoft wants to push a little bit, but I will be right back. I'm gonna get some more coffee because I'm out. Oh, my bad. What I was saying was this Nespresso's hitting. Foam comes out just like that. I was just saying, went to go get coffee. What happened? They're playing around right now. Yo, those Wish contracts, those 750s. I don't know, the same price. Okay, never mind. Carmine 5% on Tesla put. Nice, bro. Yeah, the mic was off. I messed up. See, look what they did to Microsoft here, and that's what you prevent. You don't want to go. You don't want to go to the red. You don't want to go to the red. Do not go red. Stay green, my friends. Man, I don't like how NASDAQ is acting right now. Some wide ranges are playing in right now. This 15-minute candle. 15-minute candle. Oh, there's Microsoft 291 that I was looking for. There it is. Trying to shake some people. All right. Well, no harm, no foul. Let's look for another setup. NASDAQ above 15,100, so that's good. Dow is red. Should we try to go for a Boeing short? Oh, I missed the Boeing short. No. 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 Pissed me off. Break my keyboard. No. No. I missed it. Could have been done. I mean, the goal is to hit some good setups and be done trading as early as possible, especially on a Friday. Like, if you're on a Friday and you start coasting into the afternoon, it gets dicey, real dicey. Missed the Boeing short. What did I say? What did I say? Oh, I think these Wish contracts might do it, though. If Wish pushes the 8, those 750s are going to be worth double. We got enough problems right now. This market's on. This market's on. I mean, it's super flat, but Dow just gave up his gains. S&P's just gave up his gains. NASDAQ's trying to push ahead, but there's some tough day trading. Like, if you're day trading in this, I mean, you got to be disciplined. I'm sad I missed the Boeing short. Let's see what is Robinhood? No, Robinhood. See, Robinhood. That's what I mean. The 1K account can't handle. The 1K account can't handle those drops like that. Just can't. Amazing push on AMD though. Amazing. That would have been that. This would have been a good setup if I wasn't in Microsoft. So it would have been an amazing setup right here. Nice easy push. Nice. AMD's on. It's legit. Facebook can't push up here. Nasdaq's still struggling here at this 15,100. What are you guys in right now? What are you guys trading? I want to find one more trade, but if I can't find it, it's all good. And the week green. So far this week, I've done 4 trades, lost 1. So right now I'm at a 75% win rate for the week. But I'd like to find one more solid trade today if possible. But I don't want to go too late. Yeah, Tesla got hammered at 729 there. Just hammered. 7-point drop on that bad boy. Well, let's see. Is Penn still trying to push? Nope. Man, I can't believe I missed the Boeing short. That would have been... See, what were the 237? I'm checking to see what these puts were going for. So the 237.50 puts hit a low of 260, bounced up to 380. Yeah, that would have been a good one. Capital One, maybe should I try these apples? Try to get an apple push to 150. Nasdaq's starting to break a little bit to the upside. Apple 150 today? What do we think? What do we think? Apple 150. Microsoft's pushing above 291 now. Facebook looks good. Yeah, Doji, that's what I'm looking at as well. Like, should I try or make a run? We're kind of like in rejection territory here. Might. Let's see what next week contracts are going for. Problem is they're kind of pricey. They're kind of pricey for my account. I'd have to go with the 370s. Get 2 of the 370s for next week. See if we can get a push to 365. I don't like how they're messing around with NASDAQ though today. Oh, AMD pushed 109. This thing is exploding. Trade AMD. Apple stuck. Got a nice bull flag here. Bullish pennant right here. Are we going to get the push that we need? VXX is starting to wake up, though. We got our homie VXX wants to make a debut. Never good. That is never good. Boeing's back to the lows. All right, Microsoft's hitting my original target, so I want. And Microsoft's pushing hot. I think Apple could push, but it's dead right now. I know AMD's off the chain, bro. I think Apple could push. I'm gonna try 2 Apple contracts here because I mean we're getting a nice push here. Okay, so I got 2 Apple contracts, 150. I'm going small today. I'm not going to buy 3 to 5 contracts today. I'm going to see if Apple can push 150. Now that we got a break on NASDAQ, hopefully we don't come back down. Hopefully we can get a nice push on Apple here. Microsoft really exploded. I don't know if Apple will. 15-minute chart stuck. But I mean, Apple looks like a good setup, but I've been watching Capital One for more than a month, not buying it, and today I buy it, goes down. Yeah, Capital One's not typically like a stock that I trade. All right, give me a quick pump to 150 Apple, and we will call it a day. We will call it a day. Facebook's pumping. So we got Facebook pushing. Come on, Apple. Yeah, Microsoft really was the good one. We hit that, but got shook out. Really like to see Apple push out of here. I'm in next week, Carmine. I'm in next week expiration right now. Yeah, Facebook looks really good here. Tobin, I don't trade a lot of the financial. I will trade the banks every now and then, like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. I don't really trade PayPal. Sometimes I'll trade Square. I don't trade Visa or MasterCard or any of those companies. All right, need a push out of Apple right here. Come on. NASDAQ broke out nicely. So now we needed to break 15,150 area, which, the high from Tuesday. Apple's definitely lagging. Microsoft's on a sick one. Same with AMD. AMD's up 3% today. Right now, I'm up 2% on Apple. Tesla still hasn't reversed. All right, so I'm in the Apple. So this is what I have going on, just to recap. So I had 2 Microsoft, sold one for 10%, one at break even. Right now I'm in Apple, 2 of the 150 contracts for next week. Expiration. I'm not trading any day of expiration. 0 day of expiration. All right. We got 5%. 5% so far. Come on, break this. Apple, break this double top right here on the 5-minute, and let's do some work. Let's do some work. All right, new weekly high. All right, let's do some work here. Push. Yo, AMD's 110. Oh, Microsoft's 292, and they really I did have a good. I mean, I sold these. They're going for 189 now on these contracts. I bought the Microsofts for 130, sold one for 143, sold one for 130. Oof. All right, we're testing this on Apple. We're testing this top here. A little resistance here. But if we get it, I think 150 will go quick if we can get this right here. All right, I'm gonna close one. I'm gonna close one 10%. Let me just put an order in. Again, just kind of following the same situation here. Let me close one for 10%. So I put her order in for 10% here. Okay, I got one sold for 10% on Apple. See if we can get a push here on Apple. If not, I'll put a what about these at 128? If I get stopped out, I get stopped out, you know. Same situation. Close one, 10%. I mean, we're not. The thing is, like, I think it's gonna break here. Same with Microsoft, but they play some games sometimes, and when they play the games, like, you don't know if it's going to be a flush or not. So that's why I've just been very defensive. Like, as you can tell, I'm very defensive right now in this type of market. Still new on the Tastyworks platform. What's the quickest way to close out position? I don't know why it doesn't show, but the easiest way for me, if you right click on your position, right click, you can hit close position on your strike here. I don't know why on the stream it's not showing up. Why this pop up doesn't? There's a pop up here. So you hit close position. You could also, there's also an option to close it for percentage gain. So you can go to close profit. You can adjust 10, 50%, 20%, whatever you want. Okay, again, I might get stopped out here. It's not pushing here, but at the end of the day, I already won. So but in this type of market, you have to be very, very defensive. You can't just let your winners run. Sure, it would have worked on Microsoft, and sure, it would have worked on, but on a lot of the stocks like Nvidia and stuff, it's not working. So I'm just being defensive. I haven't gotten stopped out yet, but if Apple breaks down here lower, definitely get stopped out. But I've already won today. 2 for 2. So now you just sit back. I have my stop in. Sit back, relax, let the market do what it's gonna do. Maybe I'll make more money. Maybe I won't. It's all good. Like, I think we a lot of times we make mistakes as a trader when we just always try to force making X amount of percent or X amount of dollars a day. Just relax. Market's going to do whatever it's going to do. You have to. The only thing that you can control is your account. You can control your account. You can control when you get in. You can control when you get out. I can't control what Apple or Microsoft goes to 300 or whatever, and like looking like a fool selling for $13 profit, but you don't know. You don't know. But Microsoft was the one, which is kind of crazy to think. Be patient with Apple, still looks strong. Yeah, I mean, I have my stop in for break even. On the small account, I'm not trying. I need to build capital up here. I'm not looking to get a huge gain. I've already made money today on this account, so we're gonna. I mean, one pullback on NASDAQ. I mean, we're toast. We're toast on this position. All right, I got stopped out. Okay, so not amazing today, but again, 2 for 2. It took 10% on 2 different contracts. It is frustrating to get stopped out, and especially like on Microsoft. Microsoft, like they're now going for 192. Got stopped out. 130. Sold one for 143 here, but the account screen is Friday. I don't want to mess around. I don't want to. There's going to be better opportunities. I don't want to risk more to make more, because as you can see, it's getting, Microsoft's coming, Facebook's coming down a little bit. Apple's getting a little choppy. As you can see here, Nasdaq took a little hit here at 140. So for me, not huge gains, but staying consistent. I've only lost, it's safe to say, I've only lost 1 trade this week. I didn't get as many trades in as I'd like to, but yeah, this is what you're worried about. The chop right here is what I'm looking at here on Apple, like the chop. And it's Friday. Like, the goal is trade, make some money, be done. Be done. So sure, you're like, well, you only made $27 a day. Yeah, I made 10% twice. And on a larger account, let's say I had instead of making, let's say I had a $10,000 account, right? Then I'd be making $270 today. So see how I say, if I had a $1,000 account, I'd be making $2,700 today, $2,700 today. So it's all scalable. Right now we have a $1,000 account. We're profitable this week. I dipped below. I mean, with fees. I mean, we're so year to date right now. This week made $36. Not great, but again, I had to climb out of the hole. My first day, I was red. On Monday, I was red. Climbed out of the hole, and we're pushing, staying disciplined. This week's going to be a wake up call. Like for a lot of people that were day trading in 2020. weeks like this is a wake-up call. It's not easy money. Like, I really have to work here. But, once we start getting the account balance up to $1,500, $2,000, we're going to have more opportunity and we can handle a little bit more risk. But right now, with a small account, you don't want to take a $1,000 account and turn it into $500, because then you got to make double back and your risk is going to, that's the thing. But right now, so good news is I'm closing the day green, closing the week green on the 1K account. I did have a bet with someone in the Discord that if the 1K account ends green this week, I will order a pineapple pizza and eat it on the live stream. So for lunch today, so I'm going to be back in a little bit. I'm going to have another live stream. I'm going to be ordering 2 pineapple pizzas, one from Domino's and then one from a local Chicago place, just to kind of compare and let you guys know pineapple on pizza really is trash. Really is trash. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'm going to be popping on a live stream soon here, but I'm gonna sign off here. But I mean, protect your accounts, guys. Like, look at what I've done today, yesterday. Stay green, stay green, stay green. Protect your accounts. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.